One of the questions I get asked frequently is, how do I turn a matte floor tile glossy? Well, the answer is to use the right sealer technology, something that's designed to bond to a very dense, non-porous surface like a ceramic or porcelain tile. If the tile was glossy originally and is turned matte or dull due to dirt pickup, then a good cleaner is an option. You want to avoid using harsh cleaners, acidic cleaners, or high pH cleaners. It's using something like the neutral gloss clean or our emerald will be a good choice. When they dry, they don't leave a residue. But if the tile was matte and you're trying to get it to a gloss, then cleaning is not going to be the long-term solution. Switching to these mop and glow or the shine restores, these are temporary solutions, very superficial. Often the shine fades after a few days. Really, they don't provide any resistance or any protection to the tile. And again, not a long-term solution to turning a matte tile into a shiny gloss tile. You face similar issues if you use a floor polish or a floor wax. These acrylic waxes, they give you a nice shine initially, but the polymer itself is very soft. That's why it polishes up and gets you a nice shine, but that softness means that it picks up dirt very easily, doesn't resist scuff marks and heel marks, and again, that shine will fade quickly. Maybe it will last a couple of months, but then you'll find yourself back with the same problem of it dulling. You clean it, maybe you strip it, and you add some more, and you're into this cycle of stripping and waxing, and that becomes a real maintenance issue. People also try and use concrete and stone sealers on ceramic and porcelain. Well, they're maybe a tougher sealer, but they're not designed for non-porous surfaces, right? They're designed for porous stone or porous concrete, and of course, a ceramic and porcelain tile is very impermeable, non-porous. So you end up with very poor adhesion when you use these products, and they flake off very quickly and are not really suitable for using on either a matte or a gloss tile if it's ceramic or porcelain. So if you want to avoid those problems and you're really looking for a long-term solution, then the Glaze Guard is the product of choice. Glaze Guard Gloss was designed specifically to bond to ceramic and porcelain. It has these adhesion promoters that allow us to bond to that non-porous surface. It's also a two-part material that you mix together, and when it dries, you have this very tough film across the tile and the grout that is very wear resistant, scuff resistant, and chemical resistant. So you have this long-term seal, long-term shine that's easy to maintain. You don't have to keep stripping and waxing, just using neutral cleaners, something like the Gloss Clean. Much easier, long-term solution. Glaze Guard Gloss comes in a two-part kit, part A and part B, that you mix together, and then you pour that mixture into a rolling tray. You roll it out with a 3/8 nap roller, just like you were painting the floor. The newest version of Glaze Guard Gloss takes about 6 hours to dry, and typically you only need one coat. So if your floors, your matte floors seem to show every footprint, and you're fed up with all the upkeep, and you want to turn that matte floor glossy, then the solution is to use the Glaze Guard Gloss. If you want to find out more, please click on the link below.